Pismo, California. Lunch, then beach. And you?
I think mine could eat me. We're in California. We're in California. We're driving on the beach. The wind is blowing right in our faces. I don't know if you can hear me or not. Hopefully you can. Brianna's right there. We're having a good old time. We're driving on the beach. Look at that. Look at that.
Holy crap, did you put a blow off on it?
Yeah.
Told you.
It's a crazy look.
It's nice.
Yeah. No, that's
Dude,
good.
that's
getting that's good for just doing it your first time. See how when you stop the tip is out like that's a good amount. That's actually even a little bit farther. It should be about right about there. That's about how far we get. So
Have you tried yet, Brian?
we got all the metal in the world. We can do this all night long.
I'm getting there.
So just keep that in mind. So if you slow down, then that puddle of metal, because this metal's melting, is going to get bigger because there's more wire going into that puddle. Because you're making that puddle with this. So you're really goobering, like it's like a hot glue gun. If you just kept a hot glue gun in a small spot, it's a big old glue of metal, or glue of glue. So, glue of glue. So there you go. But your sound's great. I can hear it just listening to it.